All right. This is Sammy coming back at you from St. Louis, Missouri. Today we have two $10, $50, and $100 explosions, loaded exclusively with $50 and $100 prizes. All right. We got number 42 and number 43. Odds of winning this one are 1 in 9.38. It's not too great, but we'll see what happens here. Might hit a 50, might hit 100. Let's see. Here's a winning board. 23, 38, 9, 2, 18, and 35. Here we go. 36. 9, got a winner already. Nice. 8, 25, and a 34. 10. 2, another winner. Nice. All right. Got an 11, a 21, and a 27. 23, another winner. Sweet. This could be a great ticket here. 30, a 37, 31, and a 14. 2, another 2. Oh, that's all right. That's $50 at least, guaranteed. 12, a 1, and a 19. We'll save this one for last. We'll scratch off the winner after this. We'll go to ticket number 42 now. Come on. Be another good one, please. Here we go. 11 to 27, 15, 30, 16, 40. Here we go. 26, 34, 31, 39, and a 21. Got a 12, a 3, 24, 8, and a 35. 29, 5, 22, 19, 28, 36, a 1, a 2, a 32, and a 14. Well, that's a loser, but I think we won at least $50 in this one. Let's scratch them off. Number 9, we got a 10. 34, got a 10, a 2, another 10, 11, 21, 27, 23, another 10, the 2 and 2. It's a $50 winner. $50 winner. You know how it goes, subscribers. The first 10 to comment on this video, good luck, Sammy. I will draw your name out of a hat on the next video, and you will win $25. I'll send it right to you. Just cash at me, or send me your address, or however you want to do it. Till next video. If you like what you see, like and subscribe. Until next time, Sammy out.